I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer funds from Klarna to PayPal, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your device and log into your account. Make sure you have the latest version of the app for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to your balance. Once logged in, go to the balance section of the app. This is where you can see your available funds and any pending transactions. Step 3. Select Transfer Funds. Look for the option to transfer funds. This may be labeled as transfer to bank or similar. Choose this option to initiate the transfer process. Step 4. Enter PayPal details. When prompted, enter your PayPal account information. Ensure that the email address linked to your PayPal is correct to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transfer. Review the details of your transfer, then confirm the transaction. You should receive a notification once the transfer is successful. I hope this guide helps you transfer your funds easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.